You're my everything.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again, and today I'm actually going to give you guys a home decor haul, part 1, because I'm going to be doing a lot more shopping considering I have so much other space to decorate. And if you've noticed the background, make sure you watch my latest video so you can see how that happened. And if you've seen my desk tour, you know I'm obsessed with gold and white, and if you haven't seen it yet, I'll put the link in the description or the link at the end of the video so you make sure you watch it. So let's get started. I did post a little sneak peek on Instagram, so follow me there so you can see more sneak peeks before I do upload a video. And just prepare yourself for gold overload. Lots of gold today, so beware. So I'm going to start off with my favorite thing that I bought, and surprisingly, it was only $5, guys. This gold frame I'm obsessed with because there's a lot of gold frames out there that are like really thin and sleek, which I love, but considering I need more gold in the bedroom, I loved how thick this particular frame was, so it gives me more gold like design in there. And it was only $5 at Target, so I'm actually gonna get more. They have another size for the same price, smaller. I do want to do some kind of collage, but I just don't have the exact, you know, vision of how I want to do it, so I didn't purchase more than just the one. But $5, Target, come on now. Little cute planter thing, I got it at Marshall's. It was $10, but all of the fake plants, real plants, they're kind of pricier because of like the material. This is really good quality. I have like a lot of gray in the house as well, so I liked how this had the gray and the gold. And this is actually in the bathroom just to give it some warmth in there. And I do have this candle, nothing fancy, again Marshall's. I need to take off all the tags from all of this, but everything that I've been purchasing: Target, Marshall's, Home Goods, Ross, and Amazon. If every other store fails, Amazon comes through. But it's so cute because it has a gold top. It's like the blush pink, and then the design, it just looks very like elegant, and I don't think I'm gonna be burning it, but it's just pretty, and maybe I will burn it, but it's so pretty. The next couple things we got early on, and it's for the kitchen: measuring cups and measuring spoons. The brass, this is more brass than the gold. If you notice, it's like more like a dark metal tint compared to like the rest of the gold. And I'm actually going with a gold theme in the kitchen. If you've seen the other videos or we're remodeling, you saw that the gold handles are brass, and they do have gold handles for the kitchen, but I am renting out this property, so I don't want the whole vibe to be very, very girly or very particular, because not everybody loves gold. So I felt like the brass was like a compromise for what I'm obsessed with, but still neutral for whoever else is going to be renting out the space. So again, brass and gold. I'm trying to find more brass decor, kind of like that here. So I'm going to continue to something that we're actually using a lot. So it's don't mind the wetness, even if there's still a little bit of coffee in there. It's a gold French press, and they have so many cute French presses at Home Goods, like white ones, rose gold ones, but I could not find gold for the life of me anywhere. So we got this on Amazon, and it just looks, it's my favorite. I've seen the rose gold ones at Target, and I've seen other designs that look really nice, but the gold, it's just so boss, for the lack of a better word. I'm obsessed with it. I'm really trying not to drink that much coffee, but when Ruben makes it, I'll drink it. This, I bought it on Amazon, and when Ruben saw it, he was like, what is that? And it's actually a spoon rest holder. So when you're cooking and you have like the spoons that you're using or the utensils, you rest it on this rather than setting it on the counter or a napkin on a plate or like upside down on the pan. It's a spoon rest. Isn't it like almost as big as my head, but it really adds like a nice design to it, and again, it's keeping my countertops clean. So nice, I love it. Another thing, I don't want to use pot that we were using to pour out the water into the French press to make coffee. So again, I was like, if we're gonna be buying stuff, we might as well go like with the whole thing and be buying stuff that I'm obsessed with or we're obsessed with. So I was looking everywhere, could not find one for the life of me, and even on Amazon the reviews were kind of low, but it came in yesterday and here it is. A gold teapot. I do drink tea every once in a while, but we're mainly using it for the French press, for the coffee maker. So we're putting water in here and then and this is gonna stay on the stove top, and it just goes with the whole theme of like the white and the gold in the kitchen. So I am obsessed with this. It's so chic. They had other gold ones, but this is like, again, I love the modern style. I did find this for $5 and I think it's to serve cake. I don't know, I just bought it. Literally, I go shopping with my boyfriend or my mom, and if they see it that it's gold, they like, hey, do you like this? It's gold. Yes, I'm buying it. This is a bottle opener, so the base is white and the top is gold. I did order these as well. We've been buying a bunch of them, just random colors and designs. So I said, you know what, let's, instead of buying them all one by one, let's buy the whole set and use the set. And Ruben actually said we should hang them up because they're so pretty, and it does go with the theme. But if you watch my desk tour, you know I don't like to have just like a vomit of gold or a vomit of pink. So it's just like overload. I do want to have everything as minimalistic as possible. So even though my countertops aren't that clear, the goal is to keep it as clear as possible. So I bought all the gold utensils for cooking. So if you do want all of the kitchen stuff gold, I recommend Amazon. I could not find a lot of it at any other store, and I've been looking for like 2 months, and maybe even longer than that, maybe 3 months, because I bought the gold eating utensil set from Target. I bought it when it was on sale for $14.99 instead of the $20 that it is now. It's back on stock. So we're gonna break the gold a little bit, break the mold, and I'm gonna bring something that I think Ruben secretly hates, but he just wants me to be happy, so he lets me put this in the house. It's this. It's actually a storage box bin, but it looks like a book, and it says how to be a unicorn, and it has that blush pink that I'm obsessed with, and I just have it at the bottom, and I can store things in it. So I love it. But we did buy these pillows, and yes, they are blue. Ruben actually picked a blue bed frame, which I'm loving, but I'm obsessed with it once we put the gold with the blue. So I'm still learning to compromise, and I'm doing good at it. Just kidding. Another thing I did buy for the bathrooms is a set that they sell at Target, and we did initially just aim for the marble because we do have like a marble design countertops in the kitchen. So again, getting everything cohesively matching, the toothbrush holder, all of that, we got the whole set, but I'm not gonna bring it all out because it's just so much stuff. But know that if you go to Target, you'll find the whole piece, and this is what we went with. Again, it does have the marble kind of design that we were trying to match the kitchen with, and of course the gold. And the next thing I bought with the encouragement of my mother. I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I love it, I love it, love it. Should I buy it, should I buy it? And she said, do it. I bought this gold tray with the acrylic handles. I'm obsessed with this tray, guys. I mean, it looks so elegant. Again, the gold, and then it has the acrylic, so it like balances off the aesthetic. I live for it. I am planning on putting it on the guest bed as like a decor with like water or candles or flowers to make it look pretty. I'm really not gonna be traying out stuff to guests, but it's a cute decor item. And the last thing I'm gonna show you that I always recommend all of my clients, my buyers and sellers to purchase and to get themselves one, because every designer, investor, interior designer, stager has one of these. And if you know what it is, let me comment right now before I say it. And if you don't know, now you know. And I bought myself one now, and it's fake. Don't judge me because I want it to look like this year round. Is, drum roll, an orchid. Now, Ruben has gifted me a real orchid, but they do die, they do disappear, and it's just like this base part. So I needed to get one with, of course, white and gold. And I want to put one of these in every single room if it was up to me, because they just make the room look just designed, and I just love it. I'm obsessed, and I think everyone needs one of these in their home. They have different ones with different types of bases to match different styles, so get yourself one of these. And if you hate it, let me know. I'm curious, because I'm obsessed. Like, I literally bought 2 of these. I bought 2 of these. Whoa, whoa. Well, that's pretty much a wrap for my haul. I did go crazy. I will be going crazy, and I will be buying more stuff, so make sure you do subscribe and hit the notification button so you do keep up with all my latest updates. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. And until next time, bye-bye.